video. In today's video I will show you how to integrate WeatherKit inside your React Native application. So first of all, I have created a React Native application. Next, WeatherKit is only for iOS, so you will have to enable the new architecture for React Native. So just run this command inside your terminal and new architecture will be enabled. Next, you need to have a paid Apple developer account, so you will have to pay $99. And once you register your identifier, go to app service and make sure you enable WeatherKit, otherwise this won't work. Next, you will have to create this folder RTN myweather. Inside that JS folder, and you will have to create native myweather.ts. so this is a turbo module, and if you want to learn more, you can go to this docs, and I have copy pasted everything from the docs. Only this method name has been changed, as well as this name has been changed. Then package.json, again this has been copied from docs. This name has been changed. This pod spec name has been changed. This has been changed, as well as this has been changed. Then I have created a pod spec file, again copy pasted from docs, and only this name has been changed. Next, what you have to do is open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, then run this command. After that, you will have to do cd .. so you will move outside your React Native project and then run this command. So here should be your project name, this should be your project name, and this should be your project name, and this should be the folder name which we have created. Once you are done with this, you have to cd to the main iOS directory inside terminal, and you will have to run this command. So this will create pod for your React Native project. Next, go to iOS. First of all, you will have to go to your info.plist, and all the changes make sure you do it inside Xcode. Don't do you via VS Code, otherwise you might face issue. First of all, you inside info.plist, you will have to add this NS location usage permission. Also make sure your iOS deployment target is at least 16. Once you add the permission, you will have to create this header file. So I have this copy pasted this from Stack Overflow, as well as you will have to create the Objective-C file, again which is used for sending data from native side to React Native side. Next, create a Swift file, and Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Click yes. Then and I will just open Xcode as well. So here is the main logic for getting the weather data. So first of all, import WeatherKit as well as core location, and you will have to extend CL location manager delegate as well. Then create weather service as well as CL location manager, and once get weather is called, we will start updating the location, which will throw the callback over here. Once we get the location, we will stop updating the location and call get user weather. And inside get user weather, this result will give you the actual weather. There are other different types of properties as well for this result, so you can use it. You can just check if you need some other properties as well, but for now I am just using result.current weather, and to send data I am just using event emitter.shared.send event on my event, as well as result.current weather. Next, next you will have to create inside the bridging header, you will have to import event emitter.h. And then here we have created again a header file, which I have copy pasted it from docs. Only this name has been changed, this as well as this name. Then I have created an Objective-C file, but make sure the extension is .mm, which is an Objective-C++ file. And again I have copy pasted this from docs. So this should be your bridging header name. Mine is RN app, as you can see. Then this has been copied from docs. Here we are initializing our Swift file. This again has been copied from docs, and this name has been changed. And here we are overriding our get weather method and calling the get weather of our Swift file. Next, we will have to create a prefix header as well. So all you have to do is right click on your project, new file, and just search for pch. So this will give you a prefix header. So click on next, create a prefix header file, and inside that you will have to add import core location. Next, you have to go over here, just go to build settings, search for Apple CLang, and here first of all you will have to make the precompiled prefix header as yes, and inside the prefix header you will have to write prefix header.pch. Next, all you have to do is then go to app.tsx, import your library, then inside the touchable opacity just call get weather. That's it. Thank you.